Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is a high sugar diet for six-pack abs. I'm going to show you what I ate today. And this is just a clip from a recent workout doing some Spider-Man push-ups. I'm generally strength training 2 to 3 days a week and doing a run 2 to 3 days a week. So typically exercising, doing a workout around 5 days a week. And I had my first meal around 1:30 p.m., which is typical for me. Somewhere between 12 and 1 o'clock is when I get hungry, and it was a big, huge pineapple. My second meal was a smoothie. I used 2 dates, an acai packet, a cup of frozen blueberries. I used 5 frozen bananas. I used about a half a cup of coconut water, a half a cup of almond milk, and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Now the peanut butter is optional. If you're really trying to lose fat quickly, you can just omit that, but this is a high sugar diet, so I do include some fat and protein, though the majority of my diet is carbohydrates and sugar. So there it is. It was some really good, nice cream. It was nice and thick, and just ate that with a spoon. Took a while, and I really enjoyed that. Then for my last meal of the day, it was about 7 p.m. I had a huge bowl of some veggie tofu curry over rice, some garlic naan, and an apple. And I had 2 bowls of that curry and 2 of the plates of naan. So that was it. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook. It's in the description box below the video. It has some delicious recipes that I make regularly. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more videos. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.